Hello and welcome to my channel. Myself Sayyam Badia. I teach you chemistry and biology. In this video we are going to talk about mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles. So let's dive in with mitochondria, the powerhouse of cell. So mitochondria. Mitochondria have a structure like this. This structure helps in making the storage more for the energy production, which is the main function of mitochondria. So due to their function, mitochondria are called as powerhouse of cell. Why? Due to their function of energy production. Okay, energy is produced in form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Okay, energy is produced in form of ATPs, which is adenosine triphosphate. These mitochondria are special organelles because they have DNA. What does having DNA make special the mitochondria? Having DNA helps mitochondria to make protein by itself. Okay, so a mitochondria can make its protein by itself, which means a mitochondria is a living thing because it is making its own protein and digesting it to make energy. So energy is produced in form of adenosine triphosphate. These folds are called as cisternae. Within these folds, the energy is produced by the respiration. So these mitochondria, here the cellular respiration takes place. Okay, so if question is asked where the digestion is done, so you would say in lysosomes, and where it is asked where cellular respiration occurs, so you would say mitochondria. And if question comes why mitochondria is called as powerhouse of cell, because their function of energy production. Energy is produced in form of ATP. This would be the sufficient answer for the question. Okay, plastids. So plastids are present only in plant cells. So plastids present only in plant cell. Plastids are of three types: chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. What are the function of chromoplast? The word chroma itself means it has various colors. Various colors. What would colors help? Colors for petals. Yes, when petals need color, okay, so these chromoplasts are present more in number than the chloroplast. So when if you might have seen some leaves turning yellow, so these yellow leaves are turned due to the action of chromoplast. Chloroplast as is chlorophyll, has chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is very important for photosynthesis purpose. So photosynthesis occurs in only and only in chloroplast. Photosynthesis, green pigment. Okay, so in leaves, chloroplasts are more in number. Now about leucoplast, they help in storing materials. They are transparent. Okay, so chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast has various colors which gives colors to the petals. Chloroplast has chlorophyll which gives green color to the leaves and help in process of photosynthesis. Leucoplast store materials and they are transparent in color. Okay, now so let's start with vacuoles. Vacuoles is singular in plant cells but covers, this singular vacuole only covers most of cellular area. This vacuoles, in the process of osmosis, the water comes inside the vacuoles or water is loosed out of the vacuoles. Multiple in animal cells. Present in form of vesicles. Okay, the main function of vacuoles is storage of water, minerals and cell sap. Okay, so this was for today's video. I would like you to try the questions, index question present on page number 65. There are 4 questions, so you can solve it. In the next video, we are going to talk about these questions and the cell division, the last point of the chapter, and then our chapter will be over. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any doubt regarding any topics I taught today or yesterday or any days, so please comment down. I'll solve your doubts. So if you like this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.